Hi guys, welcome to our linkage software tutorial 2. In this video, we will try to draw these mechanisms which is taken from our textbook. So also to be able to do that, we should have to learn how we can make the solid link. So as you can see in here, includes two different solid links. We will learn how we can do that. And also we will learn that how we can run our mechanism slowly to check every step of the motion. So before starting, let's check the mechanisms working video in here. First one is work like this. So also let's check what I draw before recording this video. Let me show it my dimensions. According to these dimensions, you can set your own model and run it. So I already showed you how you can set a dimension. In the tutorial 1, you will set your dimensions from this top. So let's see how we can run slowly this model to check every step of the motion. I'm clicking the pause simulation button in here. Then through step forward and this step back buttons, I can run it slowly and seeing how it's working. Okay. Then now let's try to draw it together. Stop the simulation. Let's open a new page. So I need two anchors here. Then to making these triangular links, when I right click, we can see that it's already ready to use a triangular link in here. I need also another one. Let's join it. Okay, so let's make it a bit similar. A bit closer. I need two more links. Actually, three more links, because one of them is to use in here. Let's join it. Okay. Then link to here, then here. So, okay. Is that similar? No, not actually, because we should have to make it these links as a solid. It's much similar, right? And here, yeah. So also check the motions. Is those anchors are correct or not? Let's check it. Video. As you can see, rotating input is coming from the anchor A, but for the B point, this is a totally fixed and there is no rotating input for the motion. So that's why I'm setting for the A point as a rotating input anchor. And also you can, change your RPM value in here. Let me also show you guys, we can give a name for our links. Let's make it solid 1, then solid 2. So we can give it this name, link 2, So, for example, link 5, you can give a name, whatever you want. So this is the end of our tutorial. So thanks for watching.